Hello guys, welcome back to another weather video. Welcome back to the last video of the day. There's a little watch. No, that's not a watch. Okay, this is where... So the weather models are potentially increasing for a big snowstorm here. We're going to check out the forecast maps because we're right smack in this heavy snowfall, okay? We're going to do this first. Saturday. Sunday. There's that storm, okay? It's going to develop. We're going to check out this is the storm, but okay? We're going to check out the snowfall total from the storm because we're not worried about the ice part of this storm. Because I'm telling you, this is where I'm really likely going to see some. But that's weird, though. 11 inches of snow in Mexico. That's where it gets weird, though. That's where the weather gets bizarre. See, this is an upcoming snowstorm. There's a couple snowstorms, but there is that great... All these models are showing this Great Lake snowstorm. 22 inches? Yeah. 22 inches of snow at this storm, okay? So this storm is coming, and it's... Somebody lives in north of me, but there's a 14 reading. Washington, D.C. could see snow for next, but this one from Washington, D.C. is not gonna. So I'll check out the Washington, D.C. forecast. Washington, D.C. weather.
Matt, you doing your video yet?
Yeah. Okay. So what we're talking about is... So Washington, D.C. is going to get less snow than we are. It's going to be a rain. But where we're at in Uniontown, PA, it's looking a lot different for us because it's a snow event for the people. So this is my forecast, okay? Fog 8. Yeah, range around 8 to 10, so it's about right. But this model shows that some insane snowfall totals. The CMC probably shows less. Yeah, they show a lot less snow. 15, about 15. That's still a lot, but the GFS is really insane with snow totals, okay? It's a lot longer. The one thing it's showing is another snowstorm coming in after that. 22 inches. But something very unusual in this model is really striking me, man. The western U.S. That's what's really striking me. Okay, this is where I'm really laughing my freaking guts off, okay? Yeah. That's funny. Look at this, dude. That's just freaking unusual, okay? That to me is weird, okay? Let's check out on the weather models, because that's kind of weird. Yeah, watch. I want to see what's causing this weird Mr. V weather, okay? This is what... Yep, that's weird. Mexico. Bruh, that's weird, okay? I've never seen anything like that before. See, the temperature warms back up in Texas. It's that. We're gonna do a video about that one day, okay? That's funny. But for now, this is more like, this snowfall here with the weather is more like it. Yeah. In terms, okay? This is more like it, okay? This is usual, okay? But what you just saw, no, that's funny, okay? I'm gonna make a whole video on that one day, okay? It'll probably be tonight, so be ready for this laughter video, okay? Snowstorm in Mexico, I don't think that's likely. Nah, I don't think that's likely at all. Nope. Oh, come on, finger. Get out of here. Oh my gosh. What am I doing? What am I doing today? I don't know. I don't know what's going on. What in the world am I doing? But yeah, I know what I'm saying, bro. Yeah, what am I doing? You can see this area 22 inches of snow, okay? Let's take the storm on the... Let's do the radar part of it. Oh, yeah, that... What? Wait, that storm might stay rain.
Excuse me, good sir. I'm looking for a gallant white steed with fire in its eyes and victory in its heart. I've lost mine.
Told you to keep your weird ass away from my horses. On that, get.
Can you help me find them? Please.
No, you crazy old freak!
Yeah, there's another storm that's coming in, so... That's what's bringing in the 20 inches of snow. Huh. Another one behind it, that's gonna bring the 28 inches, 22 inches of snow. But that's what the models are showing. But this is where we're talking the storm, okay? Yeah, this storm changed exponentially, y'all. Is there a little ice spot there? That's at 8 to 12 range. You can see. That is not.
Can I not remember?
It's Snowfall.
We are definitely glad that you're here for an update on Winter Storm Izzy. This is going to be a disruptive storm to millions, and the issue is that there can be a short distance between who gets slammed with lots of snow and ice and who gets just a little bit with some minor impacts. Now, the storm's going to travel a lot in the 24 hours. It's on the move between Friday morning and Saturday morning, and then you see it just keeps on trucking from there. Definitely not liking what we're seeing with the freezing rain potential for several states, and you're watching that in the pinks and the purples, snow there in the blue. Carolinas could see some thick icing in the northeast is where you're going to battle some dangerous wind chill values of 30 to 45 below zero in the warning areas. Now here's a look at the snow totals from Winter Storm Izzy. These are subject to change, and we completely understand that that is frustrating to see the numbers bouncing around day to day. But while you're drinking in these numbers, please know that this is for snow and not directly for ice, which takes very little to cause problems.
Sorry about that, guys. I was trying to brighten you. You can see, let's go back a little bit.
Definitely glad that you're here for an update on winter.
Sorry about that, guys. You saw my
storm to millions, and the issue there can be a short distance between who gets slammed with lots of
So you
snow
can see
and
the
ice,
snow and
who
potential
gets
here.
just a little bit with some minor impacts. Now the storm's going to travel a lot in the 24 hours. It's on the move between Friday morning and Saturday morning, and then you see it just keeps on trucking from there. Definitely not liking what we're seeing with the freezing rain potential for several states. Watching that in the pinks and the purples, snow there in the blue. Carolinas could see some thick icing in the northeast is where you're going to battle some dangerous wind chill values, 30 to 45 below zero in the warning areas. Now here's a look at the snow totals from Winter Storm Izzy. These are subject to change, and we completely understand that that is frustrating to see the numbers bouncing around day to day. But while you're drinking in these numbers, please know that this is for snow and not directly for ice, which takes very little to cause problems.
See that area of snowfall here? There's that 12-inch range here. This is the major snowstorm. More is coming, so stay tuned to like the video.